Tanan, ari kita diri Subong. We're here right now at the Iloilo Terminal Market to witness the first ever ihanda ang sarap ng Pasko ng Del Monte. And right now, nandito po tayo for our initial setup. So, kararating pa lang. Okay, kararating pa lang po ng ating mga materials. And then, after a minute, we will now start our first ever public market dito sa Iloilo Terminal Market. So as you see, we have already our tarpaulin, our collapsible cart, collapsible booth rather, at saka yung ating mga tao, okay, mga staff. So we have the flyers, flyering girl, the cook, at saka yung mga merchandisers natin to help us execute this Cycle 5 program. So stay tuned and we'll be right back after some few reminders. Thank you.